Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very easy and delicious recipe, which is going to be soy garlic chicken. It's a very easy recipe that you can make in the midweek after work when you're tired and you want something very delicious to eat. And you can also prepare the day before and also take it for your lunch. Firstly, we are going to start off with our chicken breast. I have 4 chicken breast here, which is 500 gram. And I already rinsed and dried it up properly. I'm going to place my chicken breast to my cutting board because we have to make sure the chicken breast is nice and even. And then I'm placing a piece of baking paper over and I will bash my chicken so it can come nice and even. In this manner, we want to flatten the thickest part so when cooking, it will cook evenly in the pan. Yeah, I've got my chicken flattened. It's looking quite even. I'll quickly wash my hands and get back. I'm going to give my chicken breast a generous grind of salt. I will put it back into my dish and prepare for my marinade. For my marinade, I will need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 cloves of garlic which I'll grate, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, but you can also substitute the rice wine vinegar for lemon if you don't have. I am going to grate my garlic to my mayonnaise. I'm going to add in my 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. And I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. I'll give this a nice mix. Now I'm going to take this marinade and pour it onto the chicken and let the chicken get coated well. Here's my chicken coated very well with the marinade. I'm going to let this to sit for 30 minutes, but the best result is when you do it overnight. In the meantime of the chicken breast resting, I will show you how to mix up the pan sauce. These are my ingredients for my pan sauce, which is a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 garlic grated, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of dark sweet soy sauce. When I add my sauce to the pan, then I'm going to add a knob of butter to it. First, we will mix up these ingredients together. This sauce is slightly thicker, so I'm going to pour it slowly into the tablespoon. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of the dark sweet soy sauce. It is quite thick. And I'm going to give this a nice mix so the sugar can dissolve. Now my sauce is ready for the pan. 40 minutes has finished for my chicken marinating, and I am now ready to fry out my chicken breast. So I've got my stove on medium heat and I'm using a flat saucepan. My saucepan has been heating up for the last 2 or 3 minutes and it's quite heated up, and I'm going to use a sprinkle of olive oil, but you can use your cooking oil. My oil must be nice and hot. I'm just going to give it a few seconds. Now I think my oil is done, so I'm going to place in my marinade breast to heat. I will allow this to brown up nicely and then I will continue training it. About a minute has passed and I'm going to turn my chicken breast. As you can see, it's turning into a lovely golden brown color. To this point, I'm going to give it a few seconds and continue turning for about 8 minutes. As you can see, my chicken breast has browned out nicely, and this was that extra of the marinade. I'm just going to add on top. All in all, 6 minutes has passed. So to this extra marinade, I'm going to allow it another 2 minutes. 8 minutes has finished and I was continuing turning the chicken breast. It's looking nice and golden brown. To this point, I am going to add in my pan sauce, which is the dark soy sauce. I will allow this another 5 minutes to cook. I will keep turning this. Another 5 minutes has passed and my chicken is done. So now to the final touch, I'm going to throw in some butter to give it a lovely rich finish. Now I am ready to switch my stove off. As you can see, the richness in the finish and it smells so nice. Here's how we serve our soy garlic chicken. Pranesh helped me to slice and we are serving it on a bed of rice. We also topped our chicken breast with some extra pan sauce. To garnish, I cut some spring onions and green chilies, but the chilies can be optional. I also cut some roasted sesame seed. Just going to sprinkle it on top. And today, on the side, we are serving it with some lovely fresh salad to go with. And we also dressed our salad with the rice wine vinegar. Here you go, our lovely Asian soy garlic chicken served with some lovely fresh salad. This is a very quick and easy meal and also looking very delicious. Every time when Pranesh go out, he comes up with some new idea. So this idea was his, but because he's behind the camera, I had to help him out. A very big thank you go to Pranesh for bringing in new and delicious recipes to the table. Thank you all for watching and give this a try.